Hello traders, good morning. Today is 29th of October 2019 and I'm going to analyze market just before London open. As you can see, we yesterday basically overall market reaction was consolidation, but we squeezed a few pips here and there. Today we can see, as you can see again, still see some consolidation. All right, so let's start from Euro USD. Okay, so I can see some nice pattern is performing. This is the triangle pattern. Okay, and technically the safest trade would be if we see the breakouts of this consolidation. Right, pound dollar. Uh, we had a breakout, as you can see, this one. Now we are looking after the breakout. We are looking pullback. That's the first priority. So the possibility of pullback, as if you look at here previously, price respected these levels and created another support trend line which is broken. So after the broken this support, we are looking a pullback to give us the confirmation in order to continue. Otherwise, we are looking a breakout and retest and then continue for bullish trade. So the first priority would be pullback short trade. Right, dollar Swiss franc. We can see right now the price action. The price reach at the support trend line. We have another support area. So the first priority would be pullback long. Otherwise, if the price break the support and create a small pullback after the breakout of support, and then we should be looking at short trades. So first priority would be a pullback long. Right, dollar yen. Okay, and you can see the price broken this resistance. So what exactly? Looking another pullback. Let's give us the confirmation of continuity of bullish. Otherwise, if the price break this support and retest, create a small retest or pullback, then we should be looking at short trade, counter short trade. So dollar yen. Right, Aussie dollar. We had such a beautiful a long trade. Uh, Yesterday evening, I mentioned look for this breakout. I hope you squeeze some pips. And I mentioned that the target would be the previous day's high. Right. So what we exactly, if you look at, we have possibilities. One here. All right. So this is the resistance area, and previously price respected. So one possibility of counter short trade, and the profit target would be this area. That's the area. And if the price break that resistance, then we can see continue to show the possibility of pullback short trade. That's what I'm looking here. Dollar CAD, we can see the huge consolidation. All right, and this is the breakout. The safest trade would be the breakout of this triangle pattern. Right, and pound yen, you can see we had a breakout, and after the breakout, as I mentioned, look for the pullback. That's the first priority. You can see this is the breakout, and we can see we had very powerful resistance. As you can see, price nicely respected many times previously. So uh, if you look, this is our first priority. What to look for the short on the pullback. Otherwise, if the price break this resistance and create a pullback, then we should be looking a long trade. So, and euro yen, we had such a beautiful long trade yesterday, as I mentioned. Now we can see here, and this is the previous high. Look at the price action. The price nicely broke on the previous high and even retested and then continued nicely hit to the final target, which I mentioned yesterday. So at the green fib channel. So what exactly we're looking if, and if you look ahead, this is the another area. So in order to give us the confirmation of looking up, first priority will be the pullback long based on the momentum. And if the price break the support, that we will consider as a false breakout of the previous day, even the previous week high. So then probably going to be looking up, counter short trade on the pullback if the price going to break this, uh, previous week high. So first priority would be the pullback long at that level. Otherwise, if the price break and retest give us the confirmation, then we should be looking counter short trade. Right. So next is pound Swiss franc. I mentioned this breakout. I hope you have banked few good pips yesterday. Right. So what we can do, we can see it right now, the consolidation. Another basically after, if you look at more or like look like a head and shoulder pattern. So what exactly we're looking here? The first priority of the pullback. So as always, like after the breakout. Okay, let me do it properly. So after the breakout, we are looking a pullback. In order to continue short, looking a pullback. As you can see, the price nicely respected 200 DMA, but the price broke on this consolidation. We can see it. So yesterday, and yeah, that's the first priority. We're looking a pullback short, and if the price break and retest, then we're looking a long trade here. Okay. Right, euro pound. We are looking. You can see the price nicely respected. Okay, so in order, we're looking a wedge breakout. Okay, if you look at here. All right, so this is the triangle pattern. So we're looking at breakout short trade on euro pound. Easy US dollar, interesting pattern. You can see here, beautiful triangle pattern. Okay, and Euro Swiss franc. We had such a beautiful breakout yesterday. We banked few good pips. Right now, you can see here, and this is the support after the breakout. As I mentioned, if the price respect, then let's give us the confirmation of long. So first priority would be the pullback long after the breakout. We had such a beautiful trade. Otherwise, if the price break this support and recreate a retest, then we should be looking at counter short trade on Euro Swiss franc. All right, guys, that's it for the technical analysis. Right, so let's see if we can find any fundamental reason. Okay, so we have 7:45. Okay, I need to change my time. Just, okay. Right. 6:45 in a few minutes. We have this speech. We'll see how the market is going to react. Possibility of pullback. As you can see, prices are a boson. Might going to see some reversal or might price going to break. So be careful on Aussie dollar. All right, and we have 2 p.m. That's the for dollar CB consumer confidence. Let's see what's the market reaction at that time. Overall, we can see we don't see any high impact news, only just low impact news from cable. That's 9:30 a.m. Right, so let's keep an eye all these analysis together, and if I find any opportunity based on this analysis, or if I find any new pattern, I will broadcast on the platform. All right, guys, have a safe trading and have a nice day.